Hey y'all, Roxo Richards here, attorney and business mentor. And I just wanted to stop in to share a little bit more about this particular course, the Biz Checkup. Now, if you're an established or new or maybe even an aspiring business owner or working for an employer who could use a little help with monitoring their business operations and understanding real KPI metrics, then this course is for you. With my business checkup, you'll learn all of this and then some. This course is comprised of over 3 parts, teaching you all about creation of your key performance metrics to make sure that you're monitoring your business efficiently. Now for me, monitoring my business didn't really come easy. In fact, I didn't learn how to monitor my business efficiently until I actually had to learn some hard business lessons. So with this particular lesson, you're actually going to learn how to monitor your marketing, your human resources, your operations, your sales, and your finances. And we make sure that you do that by providing our customized e-resources composing of some digital checklists, workbooks, and ebooks that's giving you step by step the instructions on what you need to do to be able to establish the key performance metrics for your business. Not only that, if you've got questions, you're actually invited to join our community. And within our community, you're surrounded by other people who are in their different stages of their developmental journey. So all you have to do is join the course, and I'll see you inside.